National Electrical Code Article 411 addresses electric signs and outline lighting operating at 30 volts or less. Section 411.10 states that wet locations require fixtures rated for wet locations. Section 411.20 dictates that fixtures shall be mounted to prevent damage from submergence or contact with water. Section 411.21 states that fixtures shall be mounted at least 5 feet above the flood level or 8 feet above the surface of the water, whichever is higher. Regarding the acceptance of fluorescent fixtures in polyvinyl chloride covers, they may be acceptable provided they meet the following requirements. Firstly, the fixture is rated for wet locations. Secondly, the polyvinyl chloride cover is rated for marine environments and ultraviolet exposure. Thirdly, the cover is securely attached to the fixture and provides a watertight seal. Fourthly, the fixture and cover are mounted at least 5 feet above the flood level or 8 feet above the surface of the water, whichever is higher. Additional considerations include saltwater exposure. Fixtures should be specifically designed or coated to withstand the corrosive effects of saltwater. For corrosion protection, all metal parts, including the cover and mounting hardware, should be made of corrosion-resistant materials or have a corrosion-resistant coating. Maintenance is also important. Fixtures should be regularly inspected and cleaned to prevent buildup of salt and other contaminants. Here is a recommended procedure. 1. Use a fixture rated for wet locations and marine environments. 2. Enclose the fixture in a polyvinyl chloride cover rated for marine environments and ultraviolet exposure. 3. Securely attach the cover to the fixture to ensure a watertight seal. 4. Mount the fixture and cover at the minimum required height above the water level. And 5. Inspect and clean the fixture regularly to prevent damage from saltwater exposure.